Are you still manually checking Facebook lead forms again and again just to copy lead details into a spreadsheet? That process is slow, messy, and honestly very frustrating. Because when leads start increasing, managing them manually becomes almost impossible. But what if every Facebook lead automatically gets stored inside your Google Sheets in real time the moment user submits their details? So that's exactly the automation we are going to build today using Pabbly Connect. Let me quickly walk you through how this works. Inside the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, I have integrated my Facebook lead ads and Google Sheet. With the help of this, whenever someone fills out my Facebook lead ad form, their all details will instantly get added as a new row inside Google Sheets automatically. This automation is extremely useful for marketing agencies, coaches and consultations, real estate business, education business, local service providers, or any business running Facebook lead ads. And the best part, your team can access all leads from a single Google Sheets and track every inquiry properly. So without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into the creation of this workflow. Alright, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. If you are an existing user of Pabbly, that is perfect. But if you are not, then go for pabbly.com/connect and run the sign up process. And once you do this, you will receive 100 free tasks every month to explore the software, which is perfect for testing. But before we proceed, I have something extremely valuable for you. If you also want to integrate multiple applications, then go and purchase Pabbly tool by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an amazing discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. After doing the sign up process, you will reach towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here you can create and manage all of your automation workflows. For creating a new workflow, you just have to click on this plus create workflow button. It will provide you three options, name as create from scratch, create using AI, and create using quick builder. I am going to create a workflow by using quick builder, so I am going with this option. And next, this connect dashboard is going to be appear in front of me. Here you just have to give a single line prompt and it will automatically generate a workflow for you. I'll show you how it will work in real time. By sending a prompt as connect Facebook lead ads to Google Sheet, see it analyze my request and ask me which Facebook lead ads trigger should start this workflow. So I'm selecting it as new lead, and next it is asking me about the action application as which Google Sheet action would you like for add row. So I'm selecting it as an add new row, and see within a second my workflow is going to be created and it is asking me for my approval. So I am clicking on this button and it says that workflow created successfully. So I'm going to open this workflow. Look at this, I got the exact application that I want, that is Facebook lead ads and Google Sheet. After getting the application, we need to make a connection. So for making it, you just have to click on the application. But before making the connection, you can also change the app event from here. It will provide you multiple types of app events. So here I am changing the app event from new lead to new lead instant. It triggers every time when a new lead submits their details. After selecting the event, I am clicking on this connect button. If you have an existing connection, then you will go with this. But here I am making a new connection. So I am selecting this option and clicking on this connect with Facebook lead ads button. After that, my Facebook account is already logged in here. So I am clicking on this continue button, and this is how easily you can connect your Facebook lead ads account with Pabbly Connect. Next, the page I am selecting as the magic makers. After that, the lead gen form I am selecting as new leads. Next, the response format I am selecting as simple and clicking on the save and send test request button, and see it started waiting for a webhook response. So for getting this webhook response, I am going to take you to my Meta Developers account. So for that, you just have to search for Meta Developers account in the search bar and go for the first link of Meta for Developers, and you will successfully come on the official page of Meta. Now for getting the webhook response, you just have to click on this resources option. After that, click on this developers tools option, and this developers tools page is going to be appear in front of you, where you just have to scroll down and go inside this lead ads RTU debug tool. After that, select the page from here that I'm selecting is the magic makers. Next, the product I'm selecting as lead retrieval and the form as new lead. See, this is the same page and this is the same form that I have selected in the workflow too. After that, I am clicking on this preview form button. Now for getting this webhook response, I am going to do one test submission by clicking on this continue button and submit button. See, the form has been submitted successfully. Now we will check our workflow to see whether we have received a new response or not. See, immediately I received a new response 7 seconds ago, and it includes all the test details that I have entered while filling the form. Now the setup of our trigger application is completed. Moving forward, we have our action application as Google Sheets. So for making its connection, I am clicking on the application. After that, clicking on this connect button. If you don't have existing connection, then you can click on this add new connection and sign in with Google. Here I have already an existing connection, so I am selecting this option and clicking on the save button. See, my Google Sheet connection is saved successfully. After that, I am selecting the spreadsheet from here as Facebook leads. See, this is the same sheet, Facebook leads. Here, as soon as I have select the sheet, it will automatically generate all the fields that are present inside this sheet. That is first name, last name, phone number, email address, and the city. Now in each of these fields, I am going to do the mapping of the response that I have received from the previous application, that is this Facebook lead ads. To do the mapping, you just have to enter the slash on the field, and the previous application is visible in front of you. Once you click on it, you will see all the received responses. So in this first name field, I am going to do the mapping of first name, that is Rahul. See, it is mapped. After that, I am doing the mapping of last name. Now what is mapping? So mapping is the most important step in automation, as it makes data dynamic, as different users have different data. So for capturing and storing each user's data dynamically, mapping is used. Here I have mapped only some fields because my objective is only to teach you how you can do the automation by using Pabbly Connect. You can map more data, create more fields completely based on your own requirements. The logic behind the automation is the same. After mapping all the fields, I am clicking on the save and send test request button, and see, I have received the positive response. Now I am going to show you the Google Sheet. See, a new record is automatically added inside our Google Sheet, and it includes the exact same details that I have mapped in each of these fields. I have clicked on the save and send test request button just only for the testing purpose. You don't have to click on this button manually. You just have to click on the save button and the automation will occur automatically. As a new row is successfully added inside our Google Sheet, this means that our action step is also working perfectly and our workflow is completed. After the completion of your workflow, you have to make sure that to enable this toggle. If you don't enable this toggle, then your workflow will become disabled and it will not work. If you face some difficulties or you have any queries while creating this workflow, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. I have also shared the link of this workflow in the description below. You can check it out. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing automation for your own business too. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grab an exclusive offer. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So not only this, you can do multiple integration of many applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Connect, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/connect #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.